pyros. Hope everyone's getting ready for New Year's coming up. I know I am. Got a few things I plan on demoing. I did get 2 shirts for the giveaway. The Iowa Fireworks Farm, they were nice enough to donate 2 shirts to the giveaway. Hook those up. They're going to send out whatever size is needed. If you guys have never been to the Iowa Fireworks Farm and you're around there, you definitely need to check that place out. Last I lost count, there was over 92 different full show kits. I mean, you'll definitely be glad you went there. Tell them I said hello. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe.